之前成日都覺得自己係香港人啊，去到大學嗰陣先真係覺得自己係菲律賓人、尼泊爾人咁樣。
佢話對自己嘅多元文化背景有過迷茫嘅一刻。
啲人其實睇我嘅姓咧，都會即刻知我係尼泊爾人嘅，係一個好普遍嘅尼泊爾姓啦。咁佢會好興奮話你係尼泊爾人嚟㗎喎，但係佢就發覺我其實係乜都唔識咁樣。
Stephanie has a personality like everyone here. I think she brings this wealth of cultural knowledge and cross-cultural experience with her, and she can inspire both local Hong Kong Chinese as well as local non-Chinese people to understand both sides and help facilitate bringing them together.
Tuning into Life Stories, a trip down memory lane. 做 podcast 主持嗰陣啦，我平時都係抱住一個當玩嘅心態啦，同埋去 keep 住去學習嘅。
本身同佢咧就會多用廣東話溝通嘅，咁所以有時喺工作上面我會唔記得咗，其實佢有另一個文化背景嘅喎，咁樣。
其實我哋而家做 podcast 最主要想係有 understanding 咯，咁無論係咩背景嘅人咁樣，希望大家都係了解對方。